Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Hertz Car Rental. How do you redeem your points? But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to redeem your points here for Hertz, or if you want to use or utilize this to your next rental, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, in order for you to utilize what we call the points or point redemption here in Hertz, you first need to be a Gold Plus member. Now, if you're not a Hertz Gold Plus member, you won't be able to utilize this, but I'm assuming you already are a member, so how do you use it? So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app here and you want to go and do the basics here. So you want to go and just book something. So for example, enter your pickup details or drop off details here and some discounts. And you can go and click on the search button. So in this case, you want to go and just book your rental. And once you are in the review details or in the book now page here, as you can see right now, you should be able to see two options in the select your price sections. You have pay now and save, or you have the book now and pay later option. Now, if you choose the book now and pay later option, so in this case, you'll have the option to select the available reward. Now, this may look different depending on when you're accessing the app, but just look for the option that says select an available reward. Now, from then on, you can go and select whichever reward that you want to use here. So there are different points that requires you to spend in order for you to get that specific perk. But yeah, so once you've selected your reward, you can go and click on book now, and you should be able to apply or redeem your points here in Hertz. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.